Hello and welcome. In this short demo, we're going to be looking at how to automate JDE Enterprise One with Worksoft Certify automation platform. Let me quickly show you how to execute a small end-to-end process of JDE using Worksoft Certify. In this end-to-end process, we're going to be launching Chrome browser for JDE Enterprise One, and then we're going to be creating a new supplier with Worksoft. In here, it launches Chrome with demo credentials, and it's going to look at the supplier management portion, and click on API My Team, and then click on Manage Suppliers and start entering the supplier attributes in there. So in here, it's going to create a new supplier and start entering all its relevant and mandatory attributes. Goes to tax information and enter some data, or wiping out the existing data and EDE batch information, and then enter mailing address and plant details in here. Excellent. Let me head in and quickly show you how to create JDE process using Worksoft Certify automation platform. I'm going to be using Worksoft's Capture 2.0 to capture the business process activity in here. I'm going to turn on the capture and then start creating a new supplier. I'm going to click on API My Team, a tab which is going to load the page now, and click on Manage Suppliers tab, which is on the right hand side. And then create a new supplier with a name and then payment terms and then default code. And then hold payment no in here, and then make sure the checkbox is on, and then choose by supplier, and then go to EDI information and enter batch processing code I, and then hit OK. Then we're going to be entering the supplier's address details in here. I'll just say then go to mailing and then start entering the address details in here. Then save the supplier information, and that's all. So our activity is complete for the create supplier. Let us quickly see the steps that it has captured in Capture 2.0 clicked on. See, one thing that I would like you to notice here is how it captures all the screenshots, the snippets of the objects, and how it names the object names automatically in here is quite interesting and quite useful to quickly generate a training document out of it after sending it to our Analyze platform, or you can also just directly send it to Certify for further polishing. And we have not required to use our optimized web optimizations for JDE. It works very well with our Worksoft default web engine, and if you have not heard about our web optimizations, I would highly recommend you to look at our web optimizations that are available for any of your SAP S4HANA Fiori flavors. 1610, 1709, or 1809, or SAP Web GUI, or SAP WebDyn Pro, or Salesforce, Workday, Concur, Ariba. For all these portals and any portal, we have web optimizations created and available for all the Worksoft Certify versions, which you can use them to quickly automate any of your modern web-based applications very, very quickly using Worksoft Certify platform. Thank you so much for watching this demo. Have a nice day.